In this episode, I will show you the storage cabinets that represent the best in durability, accessibility, and space management for artists of all levels.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Wopitues Storage Cabinet. The Wopitues Storage Cabinet is a versatile organizational solution designed specifically for those who deal with a high volume of small to medium-sized supplies. This unit often features a multi-bin or modular configuration that allows artists to categorize their materials with surgical precision. This 10-drawer storage cart offers generous capacity to help you organize items by category, turning everyday storage into a simple and enjoyable experience. With ample space to meet your storage needs while saving valuable floor area, it blends functionality with style. Its refined texture and clean design integrate seamlessly with dressers, closets, and other furniture, making it an ideal addition to any home decor. Crafted from sturdy MDF wood and high-quality PET plastic, this drawer cart is built for long-lasting durability. The solid wooden top provides a stable surface for displaying decor or everyday essentials. Each drawer supports up to 11 pounds, making it suitable for storing cosmetics, skincare products, household items, baby supplies, office materials, art and craft tools, sewing accessories, toys, and seasonal decorations, balancing both storage and decorative appeal. Each drawer features a transparent design for easy visibility, allowing you to quickly identify contents at a glance. The thoughtfully designed handles accommodate labels while ensuring smooth and effortless access. On number 2, we have Panana 5-drawer storage cabinet for artists who require flat storage for sketches, prints, or watercolor paper. The Panana 5-drawer storage cabinet offers a sleek and professional furniture-grade solution. This cabinet is characterized by its wide, shallow drawers, which are ideal for preventing paper from curling or becoming creased under the weight of other supplies. The Panana cabinet is crafted from durable, eco-friendly MDF wood with a reinforced honeycomb structure for long-lasting performance. Made from environmentally responsible materials, it provides a safe and healthy living environment for you and your family. All exposed surfaces are carefully finished, adding a refined and elegant touch to any room. This freestanding storage cabinet features a solid, stable construction with a high load-bearing capacity to meet everyday storage needs. Its simple yet stylish design allows it to blend effortlessly into a variety of spaces, including the bathroom, living room, bedroom, or kitchen. Designed for organized living, the cabinet includes 5 spacious drawers and a 2-tier enclosed cabinet with a door, offering flexible storage for different items. It helps keep clutter neatly hidden while allowing quick and easy access to your essentials, combining practicality with modern style. On number 3, we have Ristern metal storage cabinet. When durability and security are the primary concerns, the Ristern metal storage cabinet stands out as the industrial-strength choice for a heavy-duty studio environment. This white storage cabinet features 3 adjustable shelves, allowing you to customize 4 spacious storage compartments to suit your needs. The flexible layout makes it easy to organize daily essentials by category, helping you maintain a tidy, clutter-free space. The adjustable shelving adapts effortlessly to different storage requirements, meeting a variety of lifestyle needs. The double-door design includes dual magnetic closures on each door, ensuring secure and hassle-free closing. Additionally, 4 adjustable feet help stabilize the cabinet on uneven floors, allowing the doors to align and close properly without issue. Designed for versatility, this metal storage cabinet is suitable for a wide range of spaces, including the kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, children's room, utility room, office, or garage. Its clean white finish and practical design make it a reliable storage solution wherever extra organization is needed. So these are some of the best cabinets to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.